In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Notion page with a password. Protecting your Notion pages is important for privacy, and using a third-party service like Papermark is a simple way to do it. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you need to choose a service that offers password protection for your Notion pages. There are a few options out there, and today we're going to focus on using Papermark as an example. This reliable service integrates seamlessly with Notion and provides you with the necessary security features. Head over to the Papermark website and sign up for an account if you haven't done so already. This is a straightforward process where you'll need to provide your basic details like your name and email. Once you're all set up with an account, you're ready to go. The next step is to connect your Notion page to the service. Typically, this will involve authorizing Papermark to access your Notion, allowing it to generate secure URLs for your pages. Look for an option to Add New Document under the All Documents section. This feature will let you select the Notion page you want to protect. Make sure you carefully choose the right page to avoid securing your entire Notion workspace unintentionally. Now, it's time to generate a shareable link for your Notion page through Papermark. Once done, don't forget to click on Save Notion Link. This step ensures that your connection settings are stored and ready for further configuration. Now, click on Create Link in Papermark. You'll find a range of options here, but what we're really interested in is the security controls. This is where the magic happens. Toggle on the option labeled Required Password to View. This ensures that anyone trying to access your Notion page using this link will need to enter the correct password. Once you've toggled the password protection on, it's time to enter your desired password. Be sure to choose something secure and not easily guessed to keep your information safe. After entering the password, proceed to Save Link. This step confirms all your settings and saves the secured URL. Finally, click Copy and Share. This action copies your newly created secure link to your clipboard, ready for distribution. Share this Papermark link with anyone you want to grant access to your Notion page. Remember, upon opening the link, each person will be prompted to enter the password, ensuring that only authorized individuals can view your content. By following these steps, you can confidently share your Notion pages while keeping them protected with password security, giving you peace of mind about the privacy of your information. Happy securing with Papermark.